Okay, next, let's continue about e-commerce business and revenue model. But before that, okay, we have to look what are the types involved in the e-commerce. Okay, let's start. Okay, so we have three types of e-commerce. Okay, the first one is business to consumer. Okay, number two is business to business. Okay, number three is consumer to consumer. Alright, so business to consumer, or we call it as a B2C, it involves the retailing products and services to individual shoppers. So meaning that if you direct buying your product or buying anything that you like from the seller itself, okay, the company itself. So this is what we call as a business to consumer. So example here is barnesandnoble.com. Okay, they will sell books and music to directly to the customer. Okay, number two is business to business. Okay, business to business, or we call it as B2B, involves sales of goods and services among business. For example, company A want to buy something from the company B. So it is between the company who have the business itself. Okay, number three is about consumer to consumer, or we call it as a C2C. It will involve consumer selling directly to consumer. For example, we have eBay. Even if you want to have the sometimes you want to sell the product. Okay, maybe the product you create by yourself, or you already use that particular product, but now you don't want to use it, so you want to sell. Okay, so we call it as a C2C. Okay, directly to the other consumer. Okay, so which one that we call for the Shopee user, for the Lazada, it is about the B2C, directly to the consumer. Okay, directly to the consumer. Okay, but if people who sell it doesn't have the company. Okay, for example, we have I don't remember, there is one apps. Okay, they will sell their own not their own product, because it doesn't have the for example, I have like what we call a stroller, a baby stroller, that I don't want to use it because my kid themselves. So I want to sell. Okay, I tak ingat nama dia. Casserole. Casserole is a part of a consumer to consumer. We directly to another consumer. I want to sell my stroller, and then I post it in the casserole, and then other people like it, and then they will buy it for me. Okay, I'm not a stroller business. Okay, I'm not from the stroller business. Okay, this is what we call as consumer to consumer. Okay, and then if you use the platform mobile, okay, when you use the platform mobile, it become as commerce. Okay, so we have two types of model here. The first one is business model. The second one is revenue model. So what is our difference? This is how you want to make up, or you create the business. This is how you can get the revenue. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, for business model, we have 7. Okay, 7 types in the business model. In revenue model, we have 6 items that we can get the revenue. Okay, we look at the business model. The first one is portal. Okay, so you can do your business by using a portal. For example, like Yahoo, Bing, Google. Even Google is the main pioneer for the portal. Okay, it become greater and greater. Okay, since they offer the service to the user until now. Okay, so this is what the Google did. Okay, and then we have e-tailer. E-tailer is something that you come out with the business, maybe you have your own product and you can sell other people product. Okay, for example, here we have Amazon, Amazon.com, and also redenvelope.com. Okay, number 3 is content provider. So you supply the content. Okay, for example, like iTunes, okay, WSG.com, even the Netflix. Okay, we supply the content. Okay, either it is the podcast or the streaming. Podcast is something that you record and then you can watch it later. Streaming, something that you have to watch it online. Okay, and then we have transaction broker. Transaction broker, this is something that you become the middleman. Okay, for example, we have xtrade.com and also the Expedia. Okay, number 5, we have market creator. We come up with the market. We want to make sure that the products in whatever that we want to supply to the buyer, that can be marketable. So we create the market. For example, like eBay. Everybody love to use eBay because it is globalized. Okay, I can buy a book from UK, for example, okay, by using eBay. And then we have another example is ExoStar. Okay, and then we have service provider. Okay, service provider, something that you provide the whatever service in their apps. For example, here we have Google Apps. We have many Google Apps, okay, by Google. For example, we have Mail, we have Drive, we have Slide, we have Google Sheet, we have Google Docs, we have Google Translate, we have Google Maps. Okay, so this is some apps. They will provide it to you. And then another example is the Dropbox and also photobucket.com. Okay, and the last one for the business model, we have community provider. So community provider is something that relate, okay, with the community. For example, if you want to find your friend, okay, you want to know other people, so you use the Facebook, okay, Google Plus or Twitter. Okay, next we move to revenue model. Okay, in the revenue model, we have 6 items. The first one, we have advertising. How you will get, okay, your revenue by advertise. Okay, by advertise, by sales, by subscribe. Other people subscribe and then you charge the subscription fees. Okay, and then for free and freemium. Okay, you offer the basic. Okay, it is what we call as free. If the buyer or the viewer want to know more, okay, and then you have to charge the other fee. We call it as the freemium. Okay, and then we have transaction fee. You can receive the fee to enable the transaction method. And the last one, we have affiliate. Okay, affiliate as the referral fee. You want to recognize other website or other, maybe your business partner. For example, like KFC and Pizza Hut is a business partner, so they will affiliate each other, and then whatever, for example, like if I click to another website, so my site, katalah, let's say I need KFC, okay, and then when you click Pizza Hut, you will go to a Pizza Hut website. So KFC site will get the referral fee because you send the visitors to others. Okay, you send the visitors to others. Okay, so this is the if you can see here, adalah example dia sama je, cuma yang tadi tu dia lebih kepada penerangan. Okay, yang ini lebih kepada there is no explanation, it's just a simple, okay, the simple diagram. Alright, and then we go to e-commerce marketing. Okay, e-commerce marketing is internet provides new way to identify and communicate with your customer. Okay, when you want to sell something to your customer, you have to make sure that whatever the customer asks to you, they want to communicate to you, so you have to reply. You have to make some response. Okay, so we have the long tail marketing, able to reach a large audience inexpensively. How how you want to reach the audience, maybe by using the internet advertising format. Okay, so we have to learn about the internet advertising, how you want to advertise, okay, by using the internet. And then you have to know about the behavioral targeting. These are some e-commerce marketing. You can use long tail marketing. Okay, maybe from the large audience, you can have the video ad. Okay, so the advertisement will appear in the TV. Okay, or the audio ad, okay, will come out in the radio. So this is the inexpensively. And then we have the internet advertising format, and then we have the behavioral targeting. So you learn about their behavior. We track the online behavior of individuals on thousands of websites and within apps and privacy concerns. For example, you already you search something about okay, let's say like in the pandemic, I always search something that maybe for the educational toys, educational something about books for my kid. Okay, and then when I just view, and then for the next day, I can see that in my Facebook, in my Instagram, many advertisement, the same a category of advertisement appear in my Facebook and also the Instagram. This is what we call as the behavioral targeting. They learn about your behavior. Okay, just it will evolve about the privacy, because you think that somebody will try to monitor you. Okay, right. Okay, next, we will continue this in the next video later. It is about the social e-commerce and social network marketing. All right, thank you.